Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to auto scroll on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to enable auto scroll for your TikTok videos, let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to open your app store and try to update your TikTok app. So here you have to simply search for TikTok and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find trying to update your app and after updating you have to go back, open your TikTok app here, keep a long press on any video and then select auto scroll from here. You must have to enable this toggle to enable this setting. Once you have enabled, your TikTok videos will be automatically scrolled. So whenever any video will be ended, your TikTok video will be automatically scrolled. So in this way, you can easily automatically scroll your TikTok videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.